UltraHD 8GB 3rd generation video camera. The world's simplest HD camcorder. When you're done recording, just connect the Flip USB arm to a PC or Mac. And use preloaded FlipShare software to organize, edit and share your videos. The new UltraHD also works with design for Flip products, a new expanded accessory line from Flip Video and partner companies. What's in the box? Flip Video UltraHD Video Camera, Black, 2 hours, Rechargeable Battery Pack, Wrist Strap, Soft Case, Preloaded FlipShare Software, User's Manual and 1-year warranty. The all-new Flip UltraHD Video Camera combines Flip Video's signature shoot and share simplicity with the power of incredible HD video. UltraHD could not be easier to use. Just power on, press record, and you'll be capturing best ever HD video. And with 8GB of built-in memory, 2 hours of record time. And an included rechargeable battery pack, you'll never miss another minute of video again. Plus the included HDMI output makes it simple to enjoy your videos on your HD TV. The new UltraHD features built-in image stabilization and incredible 720p resolution. Now with double the frame rate, 60 frames per second, for remarkably clear and steady HD video. It thrives all types of lighting environments, meaning your video will look stunning no matter the condition. Now with an even slimmer design, UltraHD lets you capture a video anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a lazy afternoon in the park, a family vacation, or a simple everyday moment. Your UltraHD will be charged and ready to go. And the new UltraHD is made to work with design for Flip products, the new expanded line of Flip accessories. Capture video on the go anywhere now featuring an even slimmer design. Video, 69 wide screen, HD 720p, 1280 by 720, at 60 frames per second, FPS, progressive scan. Recorded as MP4 files. It's the world's simplest HD camcorder. Connect the built-in USB arm to your PC or Mac. Register trademark to launch preloaded FlipShare software. Record high-quality H264 HD videos that are compatible with most video playing applications, including Windows Media Player, QuickTime Player, and iTunes. Included in package: Flip UltraHD Video Camera, Rechargeable Battery Pack, Wrist Strap, Soft Protective Case, User Guide. This is a powerful, easy to use, fairly cheap video camera. To purchase Flip UltraHD 8GB video camera, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.